Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to enable the display distance function in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button, and at the maps section look for the display distance button, and by enabling this you will see the direct line and distance from your current location when you're using the application. So to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.